This is the rarest car we've ever gotten on regular car reviews. Rarer than the Lexus LFA, the Ferrari 812 Superfast, the civilian-owned Grumman LLV, or the Toyota Supra Turbo. This is one of the rarest vehicles in the world. This is a new Hino L6. Also sometimes called the Hino L6. This is a 2025 box truck, and it's new. Bro, I didn't even know these things were made new. I thought they just had a guy on the assembly line with a baseball bat and a can of spray paint, just putting dents and tagging it as it leaves the assembly line. I am flabbergasted that the inside does not have a blow-up doll that has been humped to completion a baker's dozen amount of times. The inside doesn't have a smell. I just thought these things come with the natural fragrance of flamin' hot Cheetos that have been passed through a male's digestive system. The only thing that's in the glove box is the user's manual, not a Sucrets tin full of Percocets. It is powered by the Cummins B 6.7 turbo diesel, which makes approximately 260 horsepower at 2,800 RPM and about 650 pound-feet of torque at 1,600 RPM. The compression ratio is 17.3 to 1. It has a gear-driven camshaft. 7 main bearings hold the camshaft in place. 7 main bearings hold the drive shaft in place, and this engine uses 3 gallons of oil. It uses a variable geometry whole-set turbo, and all of this is connected to a 6-speed automatic Allison transmission. I can't wait. Let's take this for a drive.
Behold in all its infinite beauty, the 2025 Hino L6, manufactured in February of this year with only 3,000 miles on it, courtesy of the good people of Penske Truck Rental in Warminster, Pennsylvania. I was unaware that they made these vehicles with 0 miles on them.
Yeah.
I was under the impression that these rolled off the line with 100,000 miles on them, with a dude in the front at the end of the line with tweezers carefully applicating dead bugs.
Yeah.
And with a razor blade just making nick marks on it.
Yeah.
And
they hire a guy to just do fentanyl and take shits in the box,
and
in the back.
Smack it with a hammer and a baseball bat.
I need to have half of this headlight enclosure
gone. Yeah, this is
gone.
far too clean.
That bulb needs to be hanging out the side. This, you need to get an angle grinder and just start taking off the paint, piss on it, get it nice and rusty.
Look, the tires have actual tread on them.
Holy shit.
The tires have real tread, and there's not a single mark anywhere on it. You can still read.
I thought they were only allowed to put retreads on these things.
It died. And here, you want to see the cleanest Cummins engine you have and ever will see in your entire life?
This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Oh my God. I didn't even think 6.7s came with paint on them. I thought they were just, in the factory, they just get the grease, the same grease as this, and just cover
and
the
just
whole...
drench it in it.
Yeah.
I didn't even know personally that new Cummins engines were a thing.
No.
I figured that they just spawned in on a regular basis and materialized on Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta see that turbo. Oh, time to climb. You see, I'm already ready to break this thing in because my hand was about to use the washer reservoir as a handhold.
Yep.
I'm like, nope. Yeah, I can use the air cleaner box as a handhold. There she is, right down there.
Don't worry, anything that says no step is just a suggestion.
Oh, yeah. What is this, a Cessna? No, the whole thing is a step. No step? Oh, you need to have boot marks right there. Holy moly. Okay, I thought this thing was just supposed to have a pile of invoices. all up to here.
No,
Just
I
all
mean,
the way
they
down.
did at least do me the courtesy of including a water bottle
Yeah.
and someone else's paperwork.
Yeah.
But otherwise, it's completely... Honestly, my one complaint is for some reason, Hino decided that these things only need one cup holder.
Ew.
I'm a big fan of Ford for that reason. The 6 cup holders in the front of transit vans. You wouldn't think you would have a need for 6 cup holders, and yet somehow I managed to fill every single one.
Oh, yeah. Man, this air cleaner doesn't have any dead squirrels in it. The box doesn't have just a pile of walnuts in the bottom. All these connectors, all the connectors are connected.
All of the little plastic things that hold these trim on are intact.
Yeah.
None are broken.
The hood is being held in place by 2 cables. They are not zip tied in. The fasteners are still there. There is no there's no Gorilla Tape holding my coolant in.
There's no Gorilla Tape anywhere. There's no Gorilla Tape. There's no zip ties.
I have to look at the beauty of this roof. That's just still a roof.
I did hit a branch on the
Oh,
way here,
okay.
as is tradition, so
Okay.
I may have put an honorary scratch on it.
Okay, good. First blood. The corners of the top of the box are intact. Your marker lights are still there.
You want me to start it up?
Yeah.
Let's hear it go. You gotta come check out the interior of this thing after I start it, by the way.
Yeah.
Brown leather interior.
Oh, yeah.
Bougie.
I'm safety, right? I'm just standing on the wheel.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Fire in the hole. Hear how quiet it is?
Yeah.
Nothing banging around or rattling or
gonna
causing
drop
any
the hood.
problems. Put down.
Genuine. Ooh. There's again no Gorilla Tape holding on these. No I'll bet that seat's comfortable. It hasn't
It's
had
decent.
some gigantic
This
ass.
actually works.
Yeah, it's not just falling down
Smashed
in between.
Yep, with the mechanism broken.
There's not just a pile of cigarette ash in here built up. There's no ash up here.
In my 1 cup holder.
Yeah, that's so weird. That is so weird. Well, that's nice of them.
Yeah, there's even a USB port. Huh. And also something that I've never in my entire life seen in a box truck. 2 things that I've never seen in box trucks. Thing number 1, power windows. Never seen that in a box truck before, even 2024, 2025 models. Always crank. No, I feel like I'm living in glitz and glamour.
Is it automatic down?
Yeah? No.
Oh, okay.
But power windows, power adjustable mirrors.
Oh, shit.
Never seen that in a box truck either.
No.
And I can put it in park.
That's super weird because this has air brakes. Why does it
Uh-huh.
need park?
I have no idea. I think park just puts. I couldn't even fathom it.
Because
But-
it's just neutral.
Yeah, you always put it in neutral and
Neutral.
then pull the parking brake and it's fine. But for some reason, Hino decided, park.
I wonder if park
Locks,
It's
puts some
a pin.
I wonder if
mean,
it has regular brake. I mean, it doesn't have disc brakes. Like I don't know how it works.
I wonder if park on this is just a placebo.
It's definitely
Default.
not. No, it's definitely not.
Huh.
It's definitely not. Like if I turn the brake off,
We're not rolling.
no, we don't go anywhere. But it's weird because the park doesn't use the air brakes because you can hear the air brakes go with the brake pedal.
Huh.
So I don't know why it. I don't know why it has park. I don't know how it has park, but it has park.
Okay, do you get Bluetooth on this head unit?
I it's got a phone button, so I'm guessing that I somehow do, but I haven't messed with this too much. BT audio.
Audio! Whoa! All right, how many speakers does this bad boy have?
I'm willing to bet at least one.
I got none in the door. I've got the tiniest cup holder in the door. You know what? These cup holders in the
holder. It's like a can holder in the doors for your Red Bull or your Celsius.
Yeah.
That's not a speaker. I don't even know what that is. Oh, that's so you can.
Oh.
That's where you put your cigarette butts.
Maybe a second
It is a
speaker.
mystery.
All right.
It is a mystery. That's where you would put a dispatch radio. That's where you'd put a head unit for a radio.
I like how they put fake carbon fiber weave right there.
Yep. Well, you can't have the brown leather interior without the brown plastic interior without the carbon fiber.
This is a Toyota part. This right here is from a Corolla. They sourced that. I mean, it feels just like it.
Can your camera see it?
All right. Does it? Ooh, those bend.
Yeah. It is.
Oh, they are big enough. Okay.
Truly, this is a truck designed for doing things, and not for being comfortable. But they did their best to make it comfortable anyway, and that's what's weird.
Can we check out is there anything in the bed?
Not in the moment.
All right.
Totally empty.
Check out the bed, or check out the box.
Check out the box.
Yeah. I mean, I am not certified to drive this because I don't have an air brake endorsement.
Neither do I. I'm a single individual renter.
Oh,
air brakes
we
are
don't?
air brakes.
Really?
No.
Really?
Mm-mm. No, you don't need a CDL or anything to drive this. 26-foot box truck's the largest vehicle you can drive without a CDL.
Oh.
Yep.
Okay.
I don't have a fucking CDL. Yeah, check this out. You're nice. This isn't rusted to hell or scratched up or bent inwards. You're nice cat.
No one has tried to steal anything out of it.
No. All the parts move and aren't rusted down.
This does look like a Toyota handle on it.
I don't know if Hino has any affiliation with Toyota.
Ooh. Oh, I wish YouTube had smell features. It smells so clean in here.
It smells like wood.
Yeah, I mean, you ever been inside of a house that's everything's done, but they haven't hung the drywall yet, and it's all that fresh lumber smell? That's what that smells like in here.
I didn't even notice this has a door on the side,
all of these connectors are connectors. What even do you want to call these? I just call these the
rails.
Bash part. Yeah.
Yeah, rails.
There's only the slightest bits of hits. They're all in one piece. There's no big gashes going down the side. All these supports, they're not dented in. There's no weird stains on the ceiling.
Nope. And all those lights there work too.
Oh!
Did you find a blemish?
No, I found some free self-tappers.
Okay.
Found one nut and one ball bearing.
Very nice. Well, that has just fallen. You managed to get that in here.
Why didn't it play like from the Jersey Shore on skee ball? Like
yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Little
high score.
Little tickets start coming out.
That was. I don't think you could do that again if you tried.
Well, it's down there now. Whoever gets this
truck next after
There's
me,
a ball
you have a
bearing
beautiful
down there.
ball bearing. Call up Penske Warminster, let them know you want a 26-foot with liftgate. Truck number is something.
These are still stiff, not all wobbling around.
32.7, 57.4.
The mud flaps are there,
and the liftgate is in pristine condition. I
can't wait.
All these rollers here are like so clean.
I'll bet this is so fast. It's not hurting.
Oh, as fast as it needs to be, but probably doesn't sound like it's scraping together.
Oh, I didn't even know they put wood as like a. They used wood on these things. Is this used as like a dampener?
Possibly, probably.
I've never wanted to crawl underneath one of these trucks because they're just so, you just touch anything and you just get like turbo diseases.
Yeah, your hand is covered in the grease of all time.
Yeah. Oh wow. It is gorgeous under here. It smells good. Gosh, you could almost lick it.
I think I'm gonna lick it.
I didn't even. I can see the label on the drive shaft of the rear ones. All the bellows are there. They're not leaking. These tires are pretty. 105 psi. On the man, the myth, the legend.
This guy.
Hi.
We're currently checking out the cleanest Hino L6 you'll ever see in your entire life. This vehicle only has 3,000 miles on it. I didn't know they came off the factory line with less than 60,000 miles on them. There's no grease, there's no gunk, there's no grime, there's no dead bugs, and the engine is fire engine red.
You know what sucks is that as much as Toyota owns these Hino, Toyota owns Hino.
We were just thinking that because
I'm in there, I see the dome lights like that's
everything
from a
is
Corolla.
Yep, and this is a Toyota key, and
It just sucks because they kind of suck. When I worked septic, I had a Hino truck, and the transmission like puked fluid at like 60,000 miles.
Well, we got them factory fresh.
staying where rides good, doesn't make any complaints.
Yeah. What was the last rental truck? You got it like it was an international for Penske, or was it?
The last truck we got was an Enterprise. It had a tiny little baby bitch liftgate on it and was no bueno. No bueno.
But they still used a big paint gun to paint the entire and painted right over the electrical connectors and all the labels.
Oh yeah, new trucks are just like that. Even when they repaint trucks, they just use spray gun on it. Everything.
Yeah. I was just crawling around underneath. I liked it so much.
Time to load it up with a whole bunch of bullshit. My bitch ex-wife just kicked me out of the house.
I need to put everything I had into the Penske truck.
My entire collection of antique speakers from the 1950s.
I got those big, got hit the trees on the way home. But we got a long way to go before we get to Sarasota. That's where I'm gonna start my new life, down there.
Moving in with my cousin.
Yeah, we're gonna go, we're gonna have fun on Siesta Key. I'm gonna go, you can drink right on the beach there, I'm gonna get a hook with my cousin. We're gonna have a good thing. Draining septic tanks, and actually the joke is that it's a pretty good job, honestly. But,
yeah, it actually is, if you don't mind the smell.
Yeah.
I love driving these things, man, because it's like first of all, the horizontal wheel is definitely an aesthetic. It just driving, it's like steering a boat. Yeah. Truly. It's like,
and to have the horizontal wheel, you have to have it far in front of you.
Oh yeah.
It's not like a VW bus.
You more push it than grip it.
So about how much truck is behind us?
We have the box is 26 foot.
Okay.
So there's a 26 foot box behind us, and then the cab is like 8 feet or whatever it is. So 8 or 9 feet. So we're like 35 or 36 feet altogether. And the best part of this is I always have to drive this thing through tiny little urban back roads.
Oh shit, we're driving this into Philly, aren't we?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, wow. If you're along for the ride.
Well,
let me tell you, whipping this thing into that loading dock is crazy because ain't nothing like backing a 26-foot truck into a loading dock off an alleyway.
I didn't think of that. Not only we have to take this thing on the Vine Street Expressway. Oh, my phone's ringing.